Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can pay Hulu with gift card. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser. So I'm going to open Chrome and here you need to search for the Hulu. Click on that and you need to log in into your Hulu account. So once you log in into your account, then you can proceed the next step to how you can pay with gift cards. So get them both. So I'm going to click on that. So I want this one, click on select, and here you can see that billing info. So here you have two options, gift card and PayPal. So I'm going to select gift card, and then you need to add your gift card number, expiry and date, and click on submit. And this is a process that you can use gift card on Hulu. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.